We are at Iya Valley. In Japanese, it's called Iyake, in Tokushima Prefecture in Shikoku. And we are in a very remote area, well, Iya Valley is. And this is called Hotel Iyaonsen. And so we're in a room called Tamayura, room 505. And let's take a look. Just as an aside, they do not offer this room bookable online, at least from what we've seen. So you have to call them, and that's what we did. There's just one of these rooms available. So before we go into the main area, this is the bathroom. Okay, and then come in here. It's the main area. Nice, bright area and modern. So Tamayura has a little bit of more space than other rooms. There's a little sitting area towards the veranda, and then there's another sitting area, and then the bedroom is on. So there's quite the view. So 180-degree view of the valley and the mountains. So first, let's take a look. Again, very remote location. Let's open this up. Let's see what it has. Lighting is not ideal right now. It's a little bit overcast, foggy, but you can see this is fall, so you have some nice colors, the foliage. So what you see down there is a cable car that goes down to the river, and there's an actual hot springs onsen bath. This is only accessible to guests staying here, and you can have a nice hot springs bath down there, and it's a powered cable car that you can go down. So anyways, this is the view. Extremely secluded and tranquil. So that's the view from one of the rooms, or one of the areas of the room. So we swing back around. Right, so we come back. Again, a view of the living area. And then come around this way. Bedroom. And some more views of the valley. I can't seem to open this. Not sure why. Or maybe it was open all along. Yes, it was. No? Oh, there's a switch down below. Anyway, so this is the view through the window of the valley. This is the cable car station right here. So anyways, over here we have the onsen bath. Anyway, so here's the sleeping quarters, Western style bed. Vanity sink. So this is a natural hot springs onsen bath, open air, but you do have to, it's not free flowing, so you actually have to start it up and fill it up when you want to use it. but it is a real onsen. Over here is a foot bath. You can just kind of drop your feet in there and get nice and toasty. So again, we're back outside. Down the valley. Mountains. Other side. All the way around. You can see that the cable car actually is making its way down. Okay, so Hotel Iyaonsen Tamayura, room 505. I think just most of the rooms should have views overlooking the valley. I can only show you the room we're staying in, but looks like we'll have a good stay.